All right. Let's get this show started! What's going on, everybody? Got a treat for you today. Today's going to be the very first video that we do of engine sounds of this 2021 Western Star 4900. Where you going, James? I've got this, James! I've got this, James! Yeah! Yeah, so we're going to let you guys hear how it sounds, shifting through gears, using the Jake brake when available, and should be pretty fun. Where's this GPS want me to go? Oh, we're going to go left instead of right. It's cold out. Definitely have to shut these windows. Man, it's foggy out. We're in Southern California, Moreno Valley. Just picked up a load going to Dallas. We're on our way. Oh, we got James calling. Can I help you, sir? This is faster, trust me. There's no lights over here. It's all industry. You should have went. He's not happy that I went this way, so he should have went the other way if he wanted to. Very foggy though this morning. Yeah, so no music, just the sounds of this truck. I'm gonna shut up now. couldn't move over? All that fucking room? Ladies and gentlemen, we are at cruising altitude. The fasten seatbelt sign is off. You are now free to move about the cabin. We got about 26,000 pounds in the box. So we are good. Rolling. Alright, so we're here in Phoenix. We're going to be stopping at Danny's Big Rig Resort to see about getting this truck cleaned. Woof! All that snow and crap we drove through for over the last week and a half needs to come off. And we're about to make that happen. I was thinking it was exit 136, but it's 137. So yeah, there's that. It's alright. One block over. Doesn't have straight pipes on it, obviously, because it's a new truck. And it has, you know, a DPF system with DEF and everything. So I still have not found out a way to make a truck that has DEF on it loud without deleting the DPF system. You can't delete the DPF system on these trucks. The only way to make the truck loud and do straight pipes is to delete the DPF system. You can't have that happen. Wrong gear, sorry. Jesus. Yeah, I gotta go around the back. But you have to admit, the truck does sound pretty good considering that it has all that shenanigans on it. Yeah, so we're inside here. Daddy's just walking around. They're out there getting ready to wash the truck, and chrome shop over here, you know, as usual.
We have a celebrity in the building. It's the little guy. Yes, sir. You heard it right. We love you all.
Bro. Celebrity in the building, apparently. Say hello to the staff at Danny's, everybody.
What's up? How you doing?
Hello.
Got Kevin here. Hi, what's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Kat.
This is Kat.
Nikki.
Hi, Nikki. I remember you. Do you remember me?
No.
Figures. I'm not that. See, I'm not that special. I'm not that special. But everybody remembers Kevin.
Hey, what's up?
Kevin's been in a lot of my videos. But yeah, make sure you come down here if you're in Phoenix. Exit 137, right next to the J. This is where it's at.
Go ahead and like and subscribe. You already know.
Yeah!
So yeah, it's been a heck of a day today. We're here in Phoenix still. We're at Danny's Big Rig Resort, as you know. This, like I said, this place is awesome. It has one of the best truck washes and detailing chrome centers in America, in my opinion. They've got showers, the big driver's lounge. They've got a really cool cafe in the front. Showers. I think I said that already. But yeah, we're all done getting washed up. We're done for the day. And I gotta tell you, I know this is gonna sound silly. I know this truck isn't a trailer queen. I know it's brand new and everything. And for its inaugural maiden voyage, we took it up into the snow, you know, in the shit weather. And now that I've got it washed and cleaned and had a chance to really look at it, I've noticed a few spots already where the salt and the snow have damaged, well, not damaged, but you know, have tarnished the stainless and the aluminum. But I'm gonna post up a picture. I'm gonna post a picture right now of a before and after of a new product that I'm using. We need to check this out. Time to Shine aluminum polish that I got from Evans Detailing and Polish. Check out the picture of before and after. Alright, you see, I took one pass by hand with this stuff on that little piece of the step. But this stuff, I mean, wow, yeah. The picture says it all. Seriously, you know how when they say the picture doesn't do any justice? Well, I didn't tell you right now. I'll tell you right now. This stuff is the bomb. But anyway, check out Evan's Detailing and Polishing. Look him up on Instagram, Metal Polisher. Oh man, I can't remember the whole Instagram name, but just look up Evan's Detailing. You'll find it. And tell Evan that the little guy sent you over, and you want to get some of the good stuff, okay? But yeah, so that wraps it up for today's video. A little bit of driving for the first time with the, you know, no music, just engine sounds. If you guys liked that stuff and want more of it, please comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this truck is sound worthy. I know it's not straight piped. I know we don't have screaming loud Jakes, you know, but it doesn't sound that bad. You know. But let me know. Comment below. And if you're ever in Phoenix, make sure you come to Danny's Big Rig Resort. It's off of exit 137 on the 10, right next door to the Flying J. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out the links below for merch. Like I said, we are in the process of making a hot rig apparel, 18 to life hot rig apparel. Hot rig apparel shirt for this truck. Oh man, I'm all zoomed in now. Oh, anyway, but that's gonna take some time, designing, all that good stuff, but that's in the works. Like I said, I was gonna do one that I have kind of designed and done already and put it up on the Teespring account, but we've been waiting a long time and working alongside of hot rig apparel for a long time, and now that we have a truck worthy of being on a hot rig apparel shirt, we're gonna do it that way. So stay tuned for that as well. Also, if you want to help support the channel, check out the Patreon link below as well, right there at the top of the box. It's only $3 a month. It's a great way to help support the channel. It gives you early access to all these edited videos. You get to see them before anybody else. It's just my way of saying thank you. $3 a month ain't nothing. It's, you know, if you want, if you know, yeah, either way. But I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Should we do more driving videos like we did? Let me know. Whatever. Blah blah blah. I'm shutting up now. I'm tired, and we're out of here.